Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we are going to know about 5 kingdom classification. On the basis of nucleus, organisms are divided into two categories. First is prokaryotes, which are the organisms that do not have a nucleus, and second is eukaryotes, which are the organisms that have a true nucleus. All the prokaryotic organisms lies only in one kingdom, and that kingdom is Monera. Eukaryotic organisms are further divided into two types, which are unicellular and multicellular. All the unicellular organisms lies in kingdom Protista, and multicellular organisms are divided into two types, which is with cell wall and without cell wall. Those organisms which possess cell wall are further divided into two types, that is phototrophic and heterotrophic. For all the phototrophic organisms lies in kingdom Plantae, and all the heterotrophic organisms lies in kingdom Fungi. The other type of multicellular organisms are without cell wall, and they lies in kingdom Animalia. In this way, organisms are classified into 5 kingdom classification proposed by an ecologist Robert Whittaker in 1969. Now let's discuss some more about the characteristics of 5 kingdom classification. First of all, we will discuss about kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera consists of most primitive organisms. They are usually microscopic and unicellular, which means they are single-celled. They have no nucleus in their cytoplasm. For example, bacteria, archaeobacteria and cyanobacteria. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular organisms. They have nucleus. Most organisms in this kingdom are photosynthetic and produce their own food. Like animals, they have locomotory structures. Most Protista are aquatic. For example, diatoms, algae, Euglena, Paramecium and Plasmodium. Kingdom Fungi, also called Kingdom Mycota, includes fungi such as yeast, mushrooms and molds. The body of fungus is made up of long thread-like structure called hyphae. The organisms in Kingdom Fungi may be free-living or in symbiotic relationship. The fourth most complex kingdom is Kingdom Plantae, also called Kingdom Metaphyta. This kingdom includes multicellular plants with eukaryotic cell. The cell of these organisms possess a cellulose cell wall and a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps in photosynthesis. Kingdom Plantae covers all types of plants, including herbs, shrubs, and trees. Finally, we reach the kingdom with most complex organisms called Kingdom Animalia, also called Kingdom Metazoa. It includes animals with multicellular organisms. The cell of these organisms is eukaryotic. They do not have a cell wall, but they do have a cell membrane. All members of this kingdom have tissues and organs. Animals are heterotrophic, means they depend on other living things for their food. Kingdom Animalia includes animals without bones, such as earthworm, insects such as mosquito, and animals with bones such as fish, lizards, birds, cows, and human. Thank you so much.